Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the video into your chosen tool. This step matters because editors treat embedded and external subtitles differently. Once loaded, inspect subtitle tracks in the Media or Properties panel so you know whether they are soft or hard-burned. Make a quick backup copy now. This prevents data loss while you experiment. If the subtitle is external, note its file name. If embedded, locate the track ID. Now proceed to the removal controls in the app. You now act on the subtitle type. If the track is soft, uncheck, disable, or delete the subtitle stream in the Tracks or Streams panel. This removes it without re-encoding. For external, SRT or AS files, remove the file from the folder or unlink it from the timeline so the player won't load it. If subtitles are hard-burned into pixels, you need to repair the image. Mask, crop, or re-encode with content-aware patching, which is slower and requires more processing. You finish by exporting or saving the cleaned video, selecting a codec and container that preserve quality. Make sure to disable subtitle export or remove stream flags. Once done, test playback in at least 2 players to confirm subtitles are gone and metadata contains no leftover tracks. If you see ghost text or artifacts, reopen the project, refine your mask, or use a stronger denoise/re-encode pass and export again. Tip: if removal fails, restore the backup and try it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.